Hello friends, welcome to Kbtutorials. So in this tutorial we are going to learn how to get a value from UIElement and how to print it onto the console in Katalon Studio. We are going to see. So what I am going to do is I'll be loading this particular website called kbtutorials.blogspot.com. This is actually my blog. So here from this I am going to get the value from this link. As you can see here, Python activities in UiPath RPA. So I am going to get that value and I am going to put it into the variable and I'll try to display it onto the console. Okay, so these things we are going to do here. So first of all, I'll just create one new test case here. So the test case will be get value. Now using the record mode, now you can see web record. Here I am using that web record here. First let me copy paste my website here. Now you can see I have copied. Now let me record using Chrome. Now open the browser. Once the page is navigating, then it will show navigate URL as well. Now you can see navigate to the URL we got, right? Then here what we can do is just add simply go here, select this one. Okay, now instead of click here, what we can do is just type G here. You will get so many things. Get text. Okay, so I'll be using this get text thing here and click OK. From the object repository you can create a new folder. So let me create a new folder UIElement and click on OK. So all the objects will be into that particular folder. Okay, now get text, I am going to get the data from this element, right? But how do I use it? So I'll try to create a variable here. So simply add a variable called, let me use data1 as a variable of string type. Okay, then I can directly use it over here, data1. Okay, and this is a manual mode, right? Now click on the script mode here. Now you can see this get text data will be assigned to the data1. Okay, now this data I want to display it onto the console. So simply use sysout system.out.println and data1. I'll just add few stars here so that I can able to see properly onto the screen. Okay, now let me click on run here. Now you can see the Chrome browser should get launched here. Then it will go to the web page. Now you can see in the down it got executed, right? In the console if you go, now you can see we got the value from the UIElement. Okay, this is the UIElement, we got the value and we have displayed using sysout system.out.println. Using this we have displayed. So simple thing guys, use a get text activity and try to assign that value to the console here. Okay, sorry, not console, to the variable. So this variable I have created here and I am using that variable into this one. Okay, so I hope it's informative for you guys. Let me know if you have any doubt in a comment section so that I can help you more on this. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.